Hi guys, here is a quick video for our subscribers who bought these two models, Diesel 10 from Hit Toy Company and Neville, the custom Neville. Here they are working, excellent working condition, and here's the custom Neville. You guys might remember I put the British Railway logo and I changed the number right here. It says 33037, so that's the Neville's number. I changed it, and let's put it to run in this little track right here, so our subscriber will see it's in perfect working order. Of course, you've seen this one on my videos before. There it goes, Neville in really working condition, and here is Diesel 10. And as always, remember, I do not add or include the batteries due to restrictions on the post office, United States postal services. But anyways, here you'll see the models are working. It's just a quick video for our subscriber, but thank you so much for buying my models. And here they are working, and actually Neville is Hit Toy Company also, 206. Really good models. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.